Hello guys, magdadam ako today. My little pony siya. Tapos, kukantoy ko na siya. Susuotin ko na siya. Tapos may papita pa. Kumasa ako kasi ito mo. Stop twerking your tail, bro. Ako, listen to me. Ako, you're going to go back inside. Actually, it will swing because I'm back in the room and I'm gonna jump now. Naalala mo to?